when they give you that email, don't send them email blast about all your great stuff that you want to sell them. Give them valuable content and let them come to your website because they will see your products, your services that you're offering. If you put out valuable content, they're going to come. That's our model. AspenGrowthStudios.com was launched in January of 2016. That was a little over 2 years ago. We had this many customers on the website. We had this many dollars going in. We did $387 the first month. We did $843 the second month. Last month, we did in excess almost $50,000. Our strategy was, let's just keep providing valuable content to our user base. Let's give them tools for free and let's see what happens. Maybe they'll want to buy our products and services and courses and all of that stuff. And you know what? They have. We spend a lot of money and time and effort in our content, our marketing, and the tools that we create and give away for free. We just created a kick-ass child theme for Divi called Divi All Purpose that is 100% free. Go download it. It's free. If you want to receive valuable information about WordPress and Divi, we put out 5 blog posts a week minimum. That's a lot of content. And that takes time and money and effort. And these blog posts aren't about, hey, come check out how awesome our products are. These blog posts are about how to solve problems with WordPress, solutions for Divi.